All right, everybody, it's a special day. We're here with Brent. He operates the page on Instagram called Great Lakes Vintage Honda. This is his 96 Acura NSX. Happens to be my favorite car of all time. So he's gonna let me drive it today, which is amazing. Forever grateful to him. Tell me a little bit about this Acura NSX here.
So this is a 1996 Acura NSX. It's the second year that they went to the Targa body style for the American market.
Okay.
The hardtops basically ran from 91 to 94, and Americans apparently wanted to see themselves or be seen in the car, was kind of the feedback that Honda got at the time. And so they figured out a way basically to make the car a Targa top. And that's what this one is. It is a 5-speed, 270 horsepower engine, mid-engine, rear-wheel drive, limited slip. The following year, 97, is actually when they went up to the 6-speed, 290 horsepower engines.
Okay.
So this one kind of represents the last of the first generation of them. So this car, let's see, has 96,500 miles on it. I've owned the car since 2021. I bought it originally with, I think, about 89,000 miles on it.
Okay.
Kept it pretty much all original, just it needed a lot of cosmetic work. The gentleman that owned it for 20 years before me was an engineer, so he did all of the mechanical work on the car.
Oh, wow, yeah.
And the car was in phenomenal mechanical shape, but he was not a cosmetics guy.
Okay.
So the wheels were gouged up, bumpers had some dings and scratches, paint missing kind of stuff, and so it took me about a year and got all that stuff kind of sorted out cosmetically, and it's never given me a problem since.
Absolutely, that's amazing. Wow.
Yep, so this is a 3.0 liter, what's called the C30 engine.
Okay.
270 horsepower. It's got some really long, tall gearing in this car.
Yeah, it does.
Why I think they went to the 6-speed in 97 to get a little bit more usable power.
It really goes, though.
It does.
It does.
It's got a great sound to it. Actually took this car to Atlanta last year with my oldest son.
Yeah.
So 2, decent sized carry-on bags, and we were going to go for 4 or 5 days.
Yeah, plenty of room. Cool. It's really neat.
Yep, mostly componentry.
Awesome, man.
Which gives it a very light front end.
Absolutely.
Particularly when you're hustling it through some corners.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna take this baby for a spin now. In the NSX. This is my dream car. Finally get to drive my dream car, baby. This thing is not disappointing, that's for sure. First time ever being in it, and I already am in love. Dream come true, baby. Another one. Cannot stop smiling. This is incredible. This is the kind of car that will make non-car people fall in love with cars. This transmission, my God. Honda's engineering, the engineers that made this car, terrific job. Bravo. Bravo. Well, thanks everyone. I'm really glad that you guys watched this video. This is a dream come true to me. We're gonna go ahead and put the AC on. So we're just gonna cruise this baby back to Brent's house. Oh, wow.